Store A. So this is a discount question, discount problem. So sells $50. So the selling price is going to be, selling price is original price, the tag price, minus discount. So original price is how much? 50, right? We're not sure. We don't know what the selling price is yet. Minus discount, which is 20%. So 20% of 50. So what's 20% of 50? 20, 100, and something over 50. So this will be 1 over 5, right? We know that it's 1 over 5. So 5x is equal to 50 because we did cross multiplication. 5 times x, 1 times 50. So x is equal to what? 10. So it's $10 discount. Good. 50 minus $10, which is $40. The selling price is going to be $40 for store A. What about store B? Store B. So selling price is original, which is 60. Let me change the color. Okay, so $60 for B, right? For B, it's $60 and 30% off. I know it's a little bit expensive than like $60 is expensive, $10 more than the store A, but it's more discount. So let's see, 30% of 60. So now what is 30% of 60? 3,200 and x2, 60, because the number after of is the whole, right? So you have to go to the bottom. And I'm going to simplify this to 3 to 10, 3 to 10, 3 to 10, x over 60. Let's do cross multiplication. So it's 10x is equal to 180. X is equal to 18. So it's $18 off. So now what's 60 minus $18? 60 minus 18. It is $42. Oh, it's $2 expensive. So which store do you want to go? You want to go store A. Store A has. So from which store should you buy? Store A, because it's $2 cheaper. Now, commission is, so you are going to earn extra money every time you sell a car or sell a house. So you're going to earn commission. That's going to be your profit. So a salesman earned $1,500 when he sold $50,000 car. So what's a percent commission? So when he sell 50,000, he's going to be 1,500. So we're looking for the percent, like 1,500 out of $50,000, right? So that's the definition of percent. So it's going to be part to whole, and we're looking for the percent. This, right? You have the percent proportion, and then we're going to do cross multiplication. So now we are going to multiply these. So it's going to be 50,000 times by P is equal to 1,500 times by 100, 1,500 and 0. All right, so now this is one-step equation. So let's just divide it by 5,000, 5,000. So you can divide it by 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So percent is going to be what? 3, right? So you get 3% commission. Which means that if you sell $100 of any product, then you're going to, every time you sell $100 product, then you are going to get $3 because 3 is 3% of 100, right? This is going to be extra. This is going to be your money. This question is very tricky because you have two different categories. On the first $10,000, your commission is going to be 5%. The first $10,000. But the next, like after amount of money after $10,000, like greater than the amount that are greater than 10,000, then you're going to get 15% commission, which is good. So now you sold a car for $22,000. So first 10,000, you're going to get 5%. So your commission is going to be 5% of 10,000, right? And you're going to, you see and here, and you're going to get 15% of the rest amount that are greater than 10,000. So how much is greater than 10,000? So you subtract that, right? So greater than 10,000, it's $12,000. So you're going to have like 5% for the first $10,000, and then the next $12,000 you're going to get 15%, which is a really nice deal. All right, so now 15% of $12,000. So if you add this together, it's going to be your profit. It's going to be the commission. So let's find 5% of $10,000. So now, how many zeros do you need to add here? 2. So I can just simply multiply by 100. So it's fair. So the first part, X, is going to be $500. If you sell $10,000 car, amount, then you're going to get $500. This is your commission for the first part. And what about the second part? You're going to find 50%, 15. So you can set up 15%, 15 to 100, and we're looking for the commission, right? Out of $12,000, right? So let's do cross multiplication. I don't have enough space here, so I'm gonna just move it to here. Okay, so now it's going to be 100 x is going to be 15 times by 12,000. If you don't deal with like really huge number, then I would recommend you to divide it by 100 first. Divide it by 100 before you multiply. Divide it by 100. So it's going to be x, and these 2 zeros will be gone, right? So now let's do 15 times by 12, 112. Okay, so 15 times by 12, and then I'm going to add 0, 30 and 15. So it's going to be 180, and then there was 0 at the end, right? So it's going to be 180, 1,800. Let me just choose this color. 1,800. So this is going to be your second commission, right? So this is 1,800, and 5%, it's 500. So total commission of your selling is going to be, you add them together, which is $2,300 when you sold this amount of car. This is going to be your money, profit, commission. As we talked about commission is going to be the part, commission is going to be the part of, let's say commission is like, here it's 30%. It's a lot. Commission is part of your selling, like selling amount, right? Selling amount. So this is part. Commission is going to be the part. So I'm going to put commission on the top over and the selling amount, right? Selling amount. So now it says it's a 30%. So I'm going to put 30 over 100, and you earn this amount. So this is your commission or selling amount. You earned it. He's a dealer, and then you earned it. So commission is going to be on the top, right? And we're looking for, what is a dollar the value he sells? We're looking for the selling amount. So X should be at the bottom. So if you do cross multiplication, then you can write this, and I'm going to simplify. So you sell $40,000. So your